So, data engineering lab, assignment number 3. Assignment number 3 deals with architectural design. So, we need to provide a solution architecture. So, we need to provide the overall architecture, which comprises data flow and components. You need to identify the technologies and tools. We need to design the data pipeline and the processing workflow. We need to create an architectural diagram to visualize the solution, and we need to review and finalize the architecture with stakeholders. The tools being mentioned are Lucidchart or Draw.io or any other architectural design tools, but we are restricting ourselves to PowerPoint for this assignment number 3. Let us start our discussion. Okay. So the architectural design we are selecting for is, we want to select a best T20 cricket team, and technology stack being mentioned is Databricks and Power BI. So what will be the flow? The flow will be, our target is to find the strongest T20 cricket team. So our source of data will be ESPN.com. So from ESPN.com we'll be scraping the data, and that data will be related to T20 World Cup, that to 2022. And the criteria for making our team strongest of 11 members is, we'll find the best 2 openers, best 3 middle order players, best 1 low order player, 2 all-rounders and 3 specialist fast bowlers. So this will, if I combine them, this will become 11 players. So we have some criteria. Say for example, openers, I want to find out the best openers. What will be the criteria? Batting average, strike rate, innings batted, boundaries hit, batting position, so like that. So similarly for middle order batsmen, same parameters can be applied, but the criteria may vary. The strike rate, innings batted, average balls faced, batting position, batting average can be the criteria for middle order batsmen. While for lower order batsmen or finishers, batting average, strike rate, these may be the major criteria, along with the innings batted, average balls faced, batting position, innings bowled, and so on and so forth. For all-rounders who are low order batsmen, again the strike rate is very important, along with other aspects like batting average and the bowling strike rate, they being the all-rounders. For specialist fast bowlers, so the criteria should be speed, then the criteria should be dot balls, number of dot balls, average runs, bowling economy, strike rate, all these come under the fast bowlers. So what our architecture tells is, the technology stack we are going to use is Bright Data will be using to scrap data from ESPN, and the extracted data will be in JSON form, hence Databricks will be used for further transformations. Storing this cleansed data will be in the SQL server, and then we'll be connecting the Power BI tool for visualization, and we'll be creating the reports and dashboards for the final level. So this is the architectural diagram basically. So you have the data source, you will be collecting your data from the ESPN Cricinfo website. You will be using the Bright Data tool for web scraping. The outcome will be a JSON file, so you will be uploading that on the cloud storage using ADLS Gen 2, and then you will be using Databricks for further curation. That data will be stored in SQL Server database. For visualization, then we'll be using the Power BI tool. So this is the architectural flow. Actual implementation will be in the further assignments, but as far as this technology stack is concerned, we all know that Bright Data is a data scraping or web scraping tool. So it actually is a global proxy network which provides access to data centers for web scraping, data mining, and other online data collection. Bright Data also provides tools and services to customize data collection operations, API integration, proxy pools, and so on and so forth. Databricks actually is a cloud-based data engineering tool. So it will be used for transformations. Now it is added to Azure. So uh, then we know Power BI. It's used for creating dashboards, data visualizations, and it will be used for showing business analytics, and it will be helping the organization in making data-driven decisions. ADLS Gen 2. We know ADLS Gen 2 is Azure Data Lake Storage Generation 2. Okay, it's a set of capabilities designed for big data analytics. It's built in Azure Blob Storage, and it combines the features from ADLS Gen 1 and Azure Blob Storage. So that's it for this assignment.